This is tutorial number 159, and it covers how to use the deform point feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, let's open up tutorial part number 159, which is located on the DVD. Now what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is we're going to be using the deform point feature, and we're going to be applying it to a cylinder and a cube. So to find the deform point feature, what you have to do is click Insert, click Feature, click Deform, and on the side here you're going to have Point, Curve, and Surface Push. For this one we're going to be using the point. So let's click the point, and to start off let's do a deform on the cube. So what you have to do first is click a point that you want to deform. It can either be on an edge, on a surface, it can be anywhere. For this to start off, I'm just going to click the corner here, and you're going to see the arrow, and you're going to see the yellow, which is going to be like a preview of what the deform is going to look like. So we have a little arrowhead here, and you can see the deform coming out. Now if you click on it, you're able to toggle it in and out, so either it's going to cut into the part or it's going to go outside of it and add material. Now on the side here we have a couple more parameters that we can play with. So the first one here is the deform distance, so how far out it's going to go, and the other one's the deform area. So the more we click this, the more we increase it, the more it's going to go out. And with this guy, the more we make it, the wider, the bigger the area it's going to consume. So to start off, let's just do 10 by 10. Click OK, and you can see the deform that's come out of it. It's come out just around that point on the corner, and it's come out. Now let's do another one on this corner here, and let's deform it in. Let's click Insert, click Feature, click Deform, and let's click this point here, and let's flip it in. So either you can click on the arrowhead, or you can click on the reverse direction button here. It's up to you. And we'll just do 10 by 10 going in again. Click OK. And we've deformed in. And you can see that in this case we've taken a chunk out of the part, and in this case we've added to the part. Now let's play with those dimensions on it, and we'll click on a line instead of a point. So click Insert, click Feature, click Deform, and if you click on this line, wherever it is that you click, that's where your deform is going to be. So if I do it more to this side, my deform is going to be closer to that edge. And if I get rid of that point, if I do it more in the middle, the deform is going to be closer to the middle. So we can also play with these dimensions here, so let's start doing that. Let's pull it out a bit. So let's make it go out 30, and let's click OK. And you can see that the deforms come out 30, and it's still an area of just 10. Now let's go in and let's edit this one. So just to edit it, find the deform that you just made, right click, click Edit Feature, and you're able to edit your deform. So let's make the area 30, click OK, and now we're going to be going out 30 plus the area all around it's going to be around 30. Now we don't have to just do it to flat surfaces such as a square. We can also do it to something like a cylinder. We can do it on the side, so let's do that. So let's click Insert, click Feature, click Deform, and just click a point anywhere on the curved surfaces. So just click anywhere, and you can see the deform coming out of it. Now let's just make this go back to 10 and 10. And if you scroll down, you have some more options for the shape, so you can change stiffness. So right now we have a medium. If we click this one, it's a minimum. And if we zoom in, and if you look at it on the side, you can see that from this, which is a minimum, to a medium, it gets a little fatter, to the largest one, which is the maximum, and it's the fattest kind of deform that's going to come out of it. So you have more parameters again to play around with. So this is the normal one we do. Let's just do that. Let's click OK. It's on medium, and we have medium deform 10 by 10 coming out of the cylinder. So it doesn't matter if it's a point, a line, a face, or a curved face. You're able just to pick a point anywhere on it and you're able to deform out of it. And again, if we click Insert, Feature, click Deform, and just click any point on the curved surface there. And again, we're able to play with the stiffness of it, which is just how it's going to look. So if we look at it on the side there, that's the minimum, that's medium, and that's max. So it's just how fat and how wide your deform is going to be when you pull it out. And we'll just accept this. And you can see that if you go a certain distance deforming it out, it's actually going to pull material out from the other side too. So let's actually do it on this face here. Let's delete this last one we just did. And we're going to pull one through this face. So click Insert, click Feature, click Deform. And you can see on the back that when it's at 10, there's nothing being pulled out. And as you keep going, more and more is going to be pulled through. So let's just see what this is going to look like. Click OK. And you can see that as we pulled that through, it's deformed through the back. And it's going to have a correlation between how much is going to be pulled through the back and through the front. If you can see the deform that we pulled out and what's going to be pulled out of the back too, you can see that they kind of jive together, and that as you're pulling it out, it's kind of pulling out from the back too. So that concludes our tutorial on how to use the point deform feature within SOLIDWORKS.